Something caught in your throat? Get it out. Hairball. Sorry. Wrong. Dada. That's what I say when I say mama. Ah! Dada.